February 7 and beautiful weather. It's going to be 70 degrees later today. And I'm giving you a follow-up on the freeze damage that we had, or lack of it, on my onion and garlic. In my other video, the plants were a lot smaller and some of them died. But look at this. I told you they'll grow out of it. Onion is very tough. We had 9 Fahrenheit here for 3 days. I mean, the high was lowest was 9 and did not, and then the highs of 20s. Some leaf burn. You see some leaf burn on the tips, but then it grew back and they're doing well. Look at my 3 beds with the onion. They are doing really great. I'm sure I lost a plant here and there, but when you look at this, they'll grow out of it. So in Texas, North Texas, if you have onion, and even if it's gonna freeze, even without snow, don't worry about it. Look how the onion will come back. Garlic is even better. Garlic is even more tolerant to the cold because there is no indication of freeze damage at all. They look like this during those 3-day cold day weather, and now they're growing out of it. I see new shoots, new leaves developing. Okay, so I'm learning that garlic is even more tolerant to cold weather than onion.